Your face has gone purple. Give me what that sounds like. Did you ever watch a Scooby-Doo movie? The one that's actually on programme and at the end they keep farting. That's what it sounds like. Please tell me that you didn't put these straws back into the juice. Right, one. Your turn. How did you even start doing that? What were you saying that led you to do that?
I just get bruised like,
One Ryan.
oh, my armpit! What it? Just like that. I can't do it.
Oh.
It doesn't work for me.
Oh. Be shame. I'm not quite sure how to work this phone.
Which one password?